south central Indiana, southeastern Clark County in south central Indiana, central Floyd County in south central Indiana, western Oldham County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Flooding problems are occurring in areas to the west where the heavy rain already fell, so there is high confidence flooding will occur in and around the Louisville metro. Some locations that will experience flooding include Louisville, Jeffersonville, New Albany, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shiveley, London, Middletown, Douglas Hills, and Prospect. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area over the next several hours. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pioneer Village, Highview, Oklahoma, Fern Creek, Minor Lane Heights, Mount Washington, Hebron Estates, Fox Chase, Hunters Hollow, and Waterford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Show on the UK Sports Network. Color analyst Jeff Okoro joins head coach Mark Stoops for an in-depth look at the Kentucky football program.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Spencer County in central Kentucky, southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky, Shelby County in central Kentucky until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Flooding has already occurred in Louisville and areas westward with this storm. Some locations that will experience flooding include Shelbyville, Taylorsville, Simpsonville, Yoder, Montclair, Waterford, Crenshaw, Hooper, Middletown Heights, and Finkville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 are possible in the warned area over the next several hours. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.